Hey, this is Charlie from Process Flow Pros. In this video, I'm going to give you an intro to the Pro plan with the Monday.com Sales CRM. So, if you're not familiar with Monday.com, as a suite of products ranging from program management and software development to sales CRM and service project tracking. This is the out of the box solution that Monday.com offers for the Pro plan. So, if you're looking at Monday.com, they have their user interface built into what's called boards. So on the left here, out of the box, you have a leads board, a contacts board, a deals board, and accounts, and then client projects, and then sales dashboards and activities. So you have the option to keep them like this or add whatever you like, but for this video, I'll just kind of show you exactly what it is simply over out of the box. Very, very simple. So if you're used to using Salesforce or HubSpot, typically you'll have leads coming in from some source of some kind, and then you'll track them in the Salesforce or HubSpot database. For Monday, out of the box, they give you these things called forms. So you can import leads however you want, but Monday has this inbuilt feature where you can create a form and you can edit it to have all kinds of single select questions, fill in the blanks, and multiple select. And once someone fills out one of these forms, it will automatically populate into a board. So lots of editing, customization. You can put your logo on it. You can put a banner in the background, make it look like it's your own, publish it. You can create a short link. You can create a QR code to put on your collateral. You can embed it as an iframe. Lots of possibilities. So once someone fills out this form, it will populate into this board where I currently have just fake data. And then you can nurture the lead however you like, and then you can qualify it. You can see how the lead looks in the sales process flow. So you can change these stages however you like. You can track all of your emails here. You can add an email from within Monday.com, or you can have it integrated with, say, Google Drive or Google or Outlook Mail, and then have all of those emails tracked here, set reminders, pin certain activities and emails to the top. And once you qualify a lead, you can use that all this data, and you can add as many different boards as you want. Uh, Anything from like created dates to different types of leads or referral sources or where the lead came from. And then you can create a contact using all that data, and you can use automations to mirror all that data onto a board of any type. And when you come in here in contacts, it looks very similar to leads. You can click on a contact and you'll be able to get access to that same view where it shows all of the activities that have happened with that contact. As I was describing before, you can send emails, track activities with it, and then you can connect it to an account or a deal and add as many other columns to it as you like. And then here's the deals, which also called opportunities and other CRMs. You can add the deal values, connect different contacts, and forecasted values and dates that go along with the deals. And then just like with the leads, click on them, get a holistic view, see what stage they are in the sales process, emails that have gone out with this deal, and then the associated information with the deal. So that's kind of like the bulk of what you'll be doing for inputting data. Some folks also like to use accounts, and that can be associated with the contacts and deals, and you can add, file columns and link columns and all those sorts of things. And again, like I said, most of this stuff you can automate the data from each source. So like say if you have a lead that came in, you wanted to have that lead information populate in another place, you can just create columns that mirror that data. And then you can make a lot of automations, which is kind of one of the game changers of Monday. If you wanted to say when a status changes to something, move an item to a group or create a new item in another area or change the status or set a date. So, and then they have AI to customize or summarize some of the data as well. And then once you've created a deal and say you've closed the deal out, you can then track the project associated with the deal. So you can have a contact deal, an account, mirror over data that you like, assign owners, keep everybody on track. So you just have a very easy flow from, your AEs to account managers to customer success managers and project managers, all kind of flowing in one spot. And then you can create new workspaces if you want to, kind of divide out the workload so people aren't all looking at the same stuff. But you can still get everything connected very easily with these different boards. And then last but not least, how do you visualize all this data? So they have these wonderful things called dashboards, and then you can also visualize them as views within boards. And within these dashboards, they have these things called widgets, and each widget, like a chart or a number or a battery or a Gantt chart, can visualize your data. So out of the box, they just have, forecasted revenue, actual revenue, deal distribution status. You can see your conversion rate on your pipeline, all the necessary things to, keep track of your KPIs or your revenue, and your monthly goals in general. So it's a great platform, keeps everything super connected, and I've had a lot of success from everybody from smaller businesses to larger ones. And the next question you might be asking, what is pricing looking like? So for the different plans, what I was just showing you was the pro plan. You have to start out at 3 seats, so just a pretty low number of seats, and then you have the basic. Of course, there's the free option that you can do for the trial stage for a couple weeks. Link in the bottom of the video below. But if you want to get started with the basic plan, it's $12 per seat per month, and then 17 for standard and 28 for pro. Assuming you get the build annually, it'll come to these costs here, and it's a different price for monthly. So, and that's the overview of Monday.com Sales CRM and showing the pro plan. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll put my contact information in the description below, and thanks for watching.